Okay, so the team is joining back. Yes, Saroja. So who are the next three people which you will be covering?
Can I start?
No. Who are the people? Just tell the names first, then we'll get started.
So we have. I want to tell about Kanish
Next.
and Manisha also, and we have Sheng and Sumant and Gudle.
Sumant and Goodley. Okay, so there are a lot of people. Chalo, let's get started. Okay, I think everybody is in. 20 people are in the house. Yes.
So about Kanish, we should say. So she has a very confident smile in her face. That's really one should learn from him, from her actually. So whatever she says, no, there is a smile is consistent in her.
ये
The
कहाँ है
constant
कनिष्क? ए
see in her
ए कनिष्क किधर?
face.
फाइल किधर है? अरे 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 look at her, look at her.
नहीं दिख रही है.
Okay, yeah, सायरोज और बोल, और बड़ी होती है ये. जितना बोलोगे ना उतना it grows. Okay, Sairaj, yes, keep adding.
Yes, her posts are also really very inspiring. Every day, whatever one day he gets our life with planting seed and then growing. The same way we should, likewise, she tells some examples. Really, we can relate them with that, and we'll just get some inspiration from all those things. And this is what I got to know from Anish. And the next person is Manisha.
Yeah, just few things, like a few important things which you need to even learn from her. Like every day before going to like bed, right? She's like thinking through her entire day. What is something special which is happening today, and how can I give more value? And genuinely, guys, when you look from that observing perspective, now you'll find a lot of new things happen in your life. अरे कितना disturbance है ये? Okay. ठीक है, we are back to normal. Okay, so yeah, learning for the day and all those, so insights are pretty good. So everybody, like, make sure that you keep learning and you keep applying things. Okay, pretty good. Yeah, moving on.
Yes, and one more thing about Kanish, about his contribution. He want to adopt a baby for her life. That is really so inspiring. So that we can give more to the people. Like, he had taken a very good decision in her life. That is very great.
And you know what, guys, one scary thing, if you are too much close to her now, if you are her friend or something, she will make you also adopt, guys. That's the scary part. So Kanish से थोड़ा सा दूर रहो, it's fine. कनिश अपने फ्रेंड के पीछे पड़ गई है भाई, तू भी करेगा, तू भी अडॉप्ट करेगा. So that's happening actually. ठीक है, नहीं, pretty good यार. मतलब these are like very unique things, and like it doesn't come naturally to people. Okay, this is very massive. I know, okay, yeah, it's a massive thing, and even her family and all that is supporting her in that. Okay, so this is like good stuff. Yes, really good thing. Okay, yeah, Sairoja, moving on.
Yes, and Manisha,
अच्छा अरे कनिष्क कुछ बोल भी रही है, सॉरी. हाँ कनिष्क, या नहीं क्या हुआ?
When I'm starting, no one having the time, no one I'm giving the time to talk to anyone. So that's why.
म्यूट कर दिया. You have muted it.
If I am starting talking now, so no one having the more time to talk. That's why I'm muting myself. Continue yourself. Whenever my time is coming now, that time I speak more.
नहीं कनिष्क, you can launch a separate Zoom call only to listen to you, कनिष्क. ठीक है. तो भले ही 5-6 हो जाए.
एक सेपरेट लगेगा उसको.
Yeah, okay, yeah, Sairoja, continue please. Yes. Good stuff, guys. A lot of things to observe and learn for everybody. Yes.
So from Manisha, I think she
Manisha.
have not come.
Okay, so now next is Manisha.
Anytime. But one thing I should tell about her is the consistency. As you said, she is from season 1. So we should learn from that. Like, how many seasons will go on? We should stick to that.
I'll tell you one thing, okay? I'll tell you one thing, okay? Before even season 1 was launched, okay? So, okay, season 1 night 10 p.m. started, and morning में 5:30 I used to come live and do meditation 5:30, okay, and I did not tell it to anybody to do that, nothing, okay, and I used to be alone and I knew it everybody will be sleeping, but I just did it because guys, it was me creating my starting in life, and I knew it, like even though learning for the day nobody is doing it, I'll do it, and because in future it will be counted. So for my own sake I just used to come up live 5:30 without anybody and just alone perform it live and go back to the rest of the journey as well, okay. And at that time I did not tell it to anybody to come and all, but at that time randomly Manisha used to join in at 5:30, okay. She used to just come in at 5:30 and मैं बोला like ये one person दिख रहा है, ये कौन है, ठीक है. And then I realized, okay, she is like, okay, she is somebody called as Manisha Durge. She comes up sharp on time 5:30, and when I have not even tell, matlab, somehow she's so much into the game basically, okay. And second thing, whatever learning of the day I used to keep posting, okay. So at that time now Manisha every post ko like करती थी, ठीक है. And then what happened, Manisha, I have not even told you this thing, okay, but in my company na there are a few people, they are like, अरे तू लिंक्डइन में कुछ भी डालता है ना, ये मनीषा लाइक करती है, मनीषा को जॉब दिलवा देना. तो मैं बोला ठीक है दिलवा दे. बोले बोल मैं रेकमेंड करता हूँ कहीं पे, मनीषा को जॉब लगवा देगी यार, वो हर चीज को तेरे लाइक करते रहती है. So yeah, so we'll get to that. हाँ मनीषा, your job is still pending on me, ठीक है, I'll do something for that. लोग मेरी जान ले लेंगे if I don't give it. Okay, yeah, coming back, so she's like hardcore consistent, not because it is expected to be, it comes naturally, matlab, without asking also, and that's the reason she's here. Yes, go ahead Saroja. Yeah.
Is that is the most important thing everyone should learn from
Yes,
her.
yes,
And
yes.
I think from last week Zoom call, I guess she's continuously smiling. So she didn't be smiling. That's what also we should learn. Like smiling. That is very nice about her.
Yes. So good. Yeah, she doesn't speak, so पता नहीं अपने को, okay, what is behind her smiling face. We don't know that thing, but yeah, कभी ना कभी बोलेगी. Have you guys seen her YouTube videos? Okay.
We know all these things.
She
How
is,
the
she is,
Ah,
she
yeah.
is,
Yes. But उसके
she
YouTube
is
videos.
Only talk in
cool.
YouTube video.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
only talk in
She
YouTube
is,
video, not in real.
Rahul,
yeah.
Rahul.
She is cool, calm, and peace. No jhagralo, and
Oh,
ए,
only focus on
Oh,
study.
अरे कुछ नहीं, पहले लड़ती भी थी भाई से, बट देन शी ग्रू इन मैच्योरिटी.
नहीं
शी सेड
नहीं,
दैट
जब
वंस.
मैं कुछ बोलूं?
मैं कुछ बोलूं, हाँ.
हाँ या
His
क्या बोलना है, मैं
tagline,
कुछ बोलूं. यस
her tagline, मैं कुछ बोलूं.
यस she always starts like that. मैं बोला ठीक है, हाँ ठीक है, अभी देखते हैं मैं कुछ बोलूं कि आगे कुछ बोलेगी भी क्या नहीं. ओके सारोजा, यस बैक टू यू.
Yes, and about
मनीषा एक दिन
Supriya.
हो जाएगा, ओके, वन डे यू विल एक्सप्रेस प्रॉपर्ली, डोंट वरी अबाउट, ठीक है. हाँ, ये सीजन 10 में,
About
होपफुली सीजन
Supriya.
10 में. यस सुप्रिया, ओके, या सुप्रिया, झांसी की रानी.
So I think she is also a very consistent member in the team, and we should learn how to read books. Actually, reading books is like just reading and understanding at that point of time. But we should know that reading book is nothing but understanding what it is in the book and implementing in our life. So that she's doing exactly. So everyone should learn from her, like that a very important quality.
Yes.
That's which I got to know about her.
Yes. Few things about Supriya, okay. Just looking at the background, okay, she was like always a very confident personality, okay, right from the childhood, okay, always a very confident personality, lived the life on her own terms, okay. But a phase came in her life she encountered some situations where her confidence completely was broken, okay, and completely she was not even able to face people, cross the roads by herself. Matlab, itna tough time came in her life in the past, okay. But you know what happened in that situation? She battled through it, but she was like, until I fix myself, I'm not going to go back to my home. Okay, that was the dedication. She was out of her home in a different city, and the confidence was completely broken. And then she promised to herself कि until I become back to my normal version, I'm not going to go to my home. I don't care then how much time it takes. And then in that entire hostel or wherever she was, she stayed alone in dark nights where there were nobody else, and that was scary, but she pushed her limits like that. Okay. And then she suffered because she wanted to actually pass through that phase. And then just to see whether the old confidence is coming back or not, she just used to go in the evening time and try to face people and interact and just try to see whether she's back to the normal version. Okay. And it took some time, and then she recovered from that situation. Okay. And guys, that is something very incredible. This committed people like are not there. People are very weak these days. If something breaks in their life now, they start looking for help. Okay, bhai, somebody come and save me, come and save me, help me, guide me. But this kind of strong personality, "Nahi, I'll fix myself, then only I'm going to." She's not even telling it to anybody basically. "Dekhti hu kaise nahi hota." Okay. And that's a pretty strong personality. Everybody should learn something from that. Okay. And uske baad,
Yes.
she happened to join our life transformation program. And yeah, she has a lot of benefits after that as well. Uske papa and parents, they are itself like, "Supriya, kya ho gaya? What happened to you?" So like grandly changed person, Supriya, after that. Very good. Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Yeah, Supriya, कुछ बोलना है क्या? Few lines about yourself? Hmm?
No, sir.
अरे
Thank you everyone. बस इतना ही.
क्या बात है, हाँ, दिल भर आया सुप्रिया का। थैंक यू एवरीवन। हाँ, सही है। सुप्रिया ने एक बार बोला था कि वो उसके भाई को, ओके, सुप्रिया उसके भाई को, शी वाज लाइक, लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में जाने तो टांगे तोड़ दूंगी। तो सुप्रिया
But
दादागिरी तक आ गई।
but
हाँ हाँ, या
I understand one thing. जब तुम्हारे ऊपर कुछ नहीं आता है ना, तो तुम कुछ नहीं करते हो. मीन्स जब तुम्हारे ऊपर प्रेशर आता है ना, तुम तब ही करते हो. हम किसी को फोर्स नहीं कर सकते करने के लिए. नहीं करेंगे वो.
यस यस यस,
जब खुद पे आएगा तब जानेंगे, उसके बाद करेंगे.
करेक्ट करेक्ट
जब
करेक्ट, या
दिखती हो तभी.
correct. Yes,
हाँ.
Ashish. Yes, Supriya. Very correct. Very correct. And guys, that's
Even
where matlab, you should know it. Yeah,
the
Vicky. Hmm.
even the learning from the Supriya, you can understand one thing. In the IT sector also, the most of people who are working, they are learning or may not be learning due to they are not getting the opportunities. So even you have suggested like you have to create your own opportunities. So the same thing you have to understand, because I know the people who are having 10 years, 20 years plus experience. I'm dealing with them as part of freelancing. They don't know the things. They don't know how to do the work,
Yes,
and they
yes,
have not
yes.
got the opportunity. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to create the opportunity for
Mm.
them, or I'm trying to support them, and I'm learning from them. So like some of the people, 20 plus years of experience. One lady have joined my training. She is 20 plus years of experience in management only. And now she would like to learn the cloud, AG in Azure. You may heard about AG 900 basic fundamental certification is there. Her company is pushing her to learn the cloud so you can manage the people who will be under you. But she don't know anything about the technical stuff. So now you can observe she have not got a chance to work over the technical stuff, but right now she is that much flexible enough to do the work. So once it will come to you, then only you will learn.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
so
yes.
better not wait for that situation. Create your own opportunities.
Very
Work on it.
important, guys. Very important.
Yeah,
If you live
even in
your life, yeah, if
also.
you live your life to time, na, you never know when the learnings will become mandatory for you. But it's in your
Yeah.
hand. You can create these learnings for yourself and then work on that. Yes, yes.
In case of me, I never got the chance to work over the clouds, but I created opportunity. I nominated myself for the
Very good.
certification. I
Very good.
completed my certification,
Mm.
and now see, I have got the certification. That is not sufficient for me. I'm providing the trainings. I'm doing the freelancing. I'm providing the support to people. So
Very good.
whatever my learning, at least they should get the learning from me. So I'm not waiting when my company will get the opportunity of the cloud, then I will work on the cloud. No, I'm doing from right side. One of the best thing, I got the mentorship in the Accenture to train the people who are
Arey wah.
registered themselves to AG 900. Yeah, so I'm providing trainings to them.
Very good. Very good.
The manager means DU heads, they are appreciating me. Like you are keeping lots of purpose. Then once new POC will come into the picture, we will work together with you. Like this,
Super.
I got started opportunities. So
Nice.
that's why I'm saying create your own opportunities. Don't wait for opportunities. Okay,
Yes,
you may
yes,
not get in a life. People have spent their 10 years, 20 years, and they are still on the same situation. So better
Very wise. Very wise. Correct,
work on
guys.
your skills.
Correct.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Neha.
Today I made one poem for our LT group.
Okay. Yeah, please go ahead. तो बोलना भी है क्या? Okay, Sneha.
बोला नहीं, पोयम बनाई है.
हाँ बोलो.
Can I start?
Go ahead, go
Yeah,
ahead.
please.
Name of the poem सबके name
क्या?
of the poem सबके आ जाने से.
सबके आ जाने से. Okay, it's in Hindi,
सबके
everybody.
आने से.
सबके आने से.
सबके आने से LT ग्रुप खुल गया. सबके आने से LT ग्रुप खुल गया. तो बहुत कुछ हो गया. खुशियों की होने लगे,
स्नेहा
खुशियों
वॉइस
की
ब्रेक
भीड़
हो
नजर
गया.
आई.
वापस
सभी
स्टार्ट
आ
फ्रॉम द
गए.
बिगनिंग. स्नेहा वॉइस ब्रेक हो गया.
Please
स्टार्ट
start
फ्रॉम द
from the beginning.
बिगनिंग.
Yeah.
या सबके आने से कुछ तो खुल
सबके
गया.
आने से LT ग्रुप खुल गया.
हाँ
LT ग्रुप
LT
लाइव
group
ट्रांसमिशन ग्रुप
खुल गया.
okay.
ठीक है. वाह 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 वाह.
इरशाद.
और सीखने को तो बहुत कुछ मिल गया. और
ओहो.
सीखने को तो बहुत कुछ मिल गया. बातें
आगे.
होने लगे, खुशियों की भीड़ नजर आई. बातें होने लगे, खुशियों की भीड़ नजर आई. सभी आए साथ में, खुशियां खुशियां उछलाई. सभी आए साथ में, खुशियां खुशियां उछलाई. दिल को सुकून मिलता है मुस्कुराने से. दिल को सुकून मिलता है मुस्कुराने से. LT ग्रुप में रौनक आई है सबके जुड़ जाने से. LT ग्रुप में रौनक आई है सबके जुड़ जाने से. रौनक हो गई महफिल किसके नाम से. रौनक हो गई महफिल किसके नाम से. LT ग्रुप में जैसे सूरज निकला है शाम से. LT ग्रुप में जैसे सूरज निकला है शाम से. ज्ञान देना और ज्ञान लेना. ज्ञान देना और ज्ञान लेना. ऐसी है हमारे LT ग्रुप में सेना. ऐसी है हमारे ग्रुप में सेना. सभी लोग मिलजुल कर रहना. सभी लोग मिलजुल कर रहना. यही है LT ग्रुप का कहना. यही है LT ग्रुप का कहना. मीठी बातें और चेहरे पर मुस्कान. मीठी बातें और चेहरे पर मुस्कान. यही है लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ग्रुप की शान. यही है लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ग्रुप की शान.
अरे क्या बात है स्नेहा. मस्त है भाई.
वीडियो बनाओ. YouTube वीडियो बनाओ.
Seriously, this is very brilliant. इसको ना actually publish it. Very greatly said यार. स्नेहा awesome. ये किसी को ये क्वालिटी पता था क्या? कौन कवर करने वाला है स्नेहा को? That's what, like, this is so good. Very brilliant.
मैं भी एक बोल देता हूँ.
हाँ अच्छा अभी निकल रहा है
Hello?
पब्लिक को अंदर से. हाँ साइरो विल कम बैक टू यू. आशीष.
सोचने से कहाँ मिलते हैं तमन्नाओं के सफर.
ओहो.
सोचने से कहाँ मिलते हैं तमन्नाओं के सफर. चलना भी जरूरी है मंजिल पाने के लिए.
क्या बात है. हो गया क्या? और
चलना भी जरूरी है मंजिल पाने के लिए.
ओके
बस 2 ही लाइन थी वो.
ओके.
मेरा वक्त कयामत की तरह है.
बीच में आके छोड़ देता है. आशीष ना बीच में आके ऐसे छोड़ देता है हम लोग को कहीं पे.
अरे
नहीं बीच में
मेरा
एक करके बोलते हैं कि पंखों को खोल जमाना उड़ान देखता है. तो इसी तरह से है कि एक जो मैं लास्ट टाइम पे बोला था उसको भी अगेन रिपीट करूंगा कि ऑल द पीपल हु आर आई मीन लुकिंग फॉर जॉब राइट नाउ. सो थिंक लाइक लक्ष्य जो एक टारगेट अपन सेट करते हैं तो उसको है कि लक्ष्य ना ओझल होने पाए कदम मिलाकर चल. लक्ष्य ना ओझल होने पाए कदम मिलाकर चल. सफलता तेरे कदम चूमेगी आज नहीं तो कल. सफलता तेरे कदम चूमेगी आज नहीं तो कल. So think again this poem every time like you have set the target, you will achieve it if you think like this, you will achieve it definitely. Awesome. So this is dedicated to all.
Awesome Ashish, very good man, very good.
मेरा वक्त कयामत की तरह है. मेरा वक्त कयामत की तरह है. याद रखना आएगा जरूर.
अरे fuck. भाई
बोल दो अभी बोल दो सबके सब.
जो बदलता है वही आगे बढ़ता है.
ठीक है आते सायर रोजा अभी वापस बोली कि अपने बंदे खत्म करते हैं उसके बाद we'll just get into it. ओके क्या सायर रोजा रिमेनिंग वालों को एक एक करके शूट करते हैं अभी. हाँ go ahead सायर रोजा.
Yes, so Supriya, like when we look at her, we'll come like she's very strong. We'll get that feeling like she's very strong.
Yes.
So that's what everyone should learn from her. the next few people like Shank, like he is a very good singer so far I saw. He is also very consistent in very consistent in his team, I think.
देखो शैंक का
And he's also very cool and very calm and yeah, he has very good attitude. It seems when we look at him, we
नाटक कर
feel
रहा है.
like
Look at him, देखो खाली नाटक करता है ये और कुछ नहीं करता है. ठीक है शैंक. बस knows only this. देखो
शर्मा रहा है.
ठीक है.
भाई
He is from Cuttack, so that's why.
नहीं okay, few
So
things
he
about
got his
Shank
license.
is खाली एक quickly बोलूंगा guys कि due to some reason he was not able to be that consistent as part of our season 4 वाला जो unit अभी चल रहा था. Okay, so he was not much available, but he used to keep dropping me messages and like, hey, I am following everybody's videos and all, but I am not replying as a comment there because they'll think like, अरे ये तो कुछ करता नहीं है, just like that kind of. ठीक है. So these are all his mental assumptions basically. कि if I put something, if I reply something, everybody will be like, who is this guy? From where is he talking and all those things. So but he's like, okay, with season 5 he started the journey again, so he has completed his 5 days consistently with 5, and he's like, with season 5 again I'll come to the morning and we'll get back to the normal zone. Okay, so he is also season 2 member basically. Okay, so all these phases will come, but guys life is a long run game and वहाँ करना है. ठीक है. तो शैंक ये गाता भी था अच्छा है, तो क्वालिटी वो वाली दिख गई है शैंक. ठीक है. हाँ,
थैंक यू सरोजा.
क्या बात है सारे ऐसे लड़की लेके आए तेरे लिए दिखाने के लिए. थैंक यू सायरोजा. Okay Sairaja, yes, moving on to the next person.
yeah. And about Sumant, I think we met her only once, like one I think one call or the before last week, but about reading books, like in this call I have mentioned like reading books. That is really a very good quality. Like from him, we should learn. Like at least I should give my at least 30 to 45 minutes of my time in reading books. Like I have decided.
Very good. Very good.
Start doing it. Like that's what I.
That quality will change you for sure. Yes. Okay. Moving on.
And we have many others also, like Goodly, Pooja, and Sneha. I'm not very aware of them because like I would really like to learn from them also if we could get a chance to interact with them all.
Yes. देखो, I think देखो point is कि this is one of a challenge which our system is going to get into. Okay, and I'm really working on a proper solution for this. कि batch by batch, right? The strength will keep raising. Okay, and more people will be coming. Still, how do we properly keep the system flowing and the knowledge level growing? Okay. I'm already thinking of models for that, strategies for that. Let's see through. Okay, we have to experiment it, see through, and कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा. Okay, so yes, Goodlay, Sneha, they are also in individualities in themselves. One good thing about Goodlay is she in पता नहीं. Okay, she joined in the morning time. Right now I don't see her.
She joined like in between she went, I guess.
Yeah.
She joined. I saw her.
Yeah. She was there in the morning. Yeah. So उसको भी
Yes.
but okay, so she was having her own struggle. Okay, when she joined even the night 10 p.m. session, at that time she said कि she's dealing with a lot in her personal life, and she was really feeling low at that time. Okay, and when she came live as part of the previous session, she's like, okay, I'm feeling 30% better. Okay, I want to tell you guys that recently when she dropped me a message, she said, I'm feeling 95% healed in my personal ability. Okay, and the fire in me which was there 2 years ago, that is again sparking, and things are becoming very normal. Okay, so this is what she said. I think people are facing all that, and it's just a basic discipline, few corrections in lifestyle, a change of attitude and a mindset, and that's happening. Talking about Sneha, we came with a bang with this poem which she wrote just now for the Life Transformation Group. Okay, she's quite a fun-loving person. Okay, she has a reserve day. Actually, we will be inviting these guys. Okay, and we will be knowing more about them as well. So yeah, so that's about Sneha. And third person कौन था? Pooja, Arohi. Yeah. So Arohi basically, I think one random day she just came online, and yeah, she that's what. Okay, she's also personality in herself. Her school age and growing up time, and I think right now she's in Mumbai working for some corporate out there. So where she has seen things working. she has a learning in herself. Okay, yeah, we'll somehow make some time out to even know more about all such people. But that is where I'm recommending, scroll through the Instagram stories and try to see wherever all these people are and try to get the most of it. Okay, वो करते we'll get through something. Okay, yeah, moving on, Sarah. Done from your side?
Yes. So
Okay.
these are all I have from
Yeah,
the
बहुत है. Very good, very good.
and not only me, I think everyone in the team have learned this.
Yes,
Will be
yes,
from
yes.
everyone in that
Yeah.
from the view of everyone. I'm just telling
Yes,
all
yes,
these things
yes. Yeah, and all these are
to
the
learn.
strong qualities. Very good, very good. Yeah, Mahesh,
And
now you.
yeah. We also learn a lot from all the new people.
Yes.
Yes, all the new people have new spark. New when our when our spark is slow, then I see all the new people. Yeah, then we should also continue like yeah, game में बने रहना.
हाँ, गेम में
So
बने
like
रहना
that,
है. Correct guys. देखो, phases आते रहते हैं, but yeah, find your own inspiration. Even I think Ashish said once के WhatsApp में ही message किया था, like whenever he comes to this group, मतलब everything is energized. And like seriously, man, the team is on fire. ठीक है? You don't look for it sometime and there are 40 messages. अरे क्या कर रहे हैं लोग? So really, people are on fire there actually. ठीक है? Very good, awesome. Okay.
Yesterday,
So,
Akshay also sent a screenshot like he has seen like 140 around 170 messages, 100 is there from the. Yes.
One day I kept in mute. I did not got the time in the entire day. There was 160 plus messages. Oh.
Yeah, so pretty good. I think that's the learning. Okay, that's so much to learn from there. Okay, now Mahesh, moving on.
Okay, finally, is that audible to you? Everyone,
Yes,
right?
Yes, it's audible, Mahesh. Go ahead.
Yeah, finally, I'm going to I will give some summary about. First of all, Ria, Sony, Sai Roja, you have done incredible job, awesome job. You have taken most of the burden and have spoken all the members. Thank you.
मैनेजर क्वालिटी डाल रहा है बंदा. ये मैनेजर क्वालिटी डाल रहा है कि भाई एंड में आके सबको अप्रिसिएशन करके ताकि नेक्स्ट टाइम आल्सो पीपल परफॉर्म. हाँ, वेरी गुड महेश, गुड स्टफ.
Good going.
Actually, yesterday one thing happened.
What?
These girls were telling about a 40-minute session. Each one gets 20 minutes. So how do we talk 20 minutes about the people? Finally, they have not given any time. Only 10 minutes they have given time.
Yesterday he was telling like I will not get time at the end. You are telling like that, but I'll not be getting time at the end. See, look tomorrow like that. He was telling, and that itself has happened. Actually.
Yes.
Actually happened. So if time is not permitted to me to tell all the things, whatever I thought about that, I'll take 10 more extra minutes of that.
Okay.
Initially, I'm telling that. And I just want to tell one person about that is Sony. Sony, nobody didn't tell about you, and you are doing the massive job, incredible job, because as a homemaker, and again you are doing all the stuff in a very consistent basis, and with the pain you got already, I know that. So you are doing the awesome job. I don't put any words of you. I don't make down of you. You are what you are. That's it.
Very good.
Yeah.
Guys,
so finally,
Sony Saugandhika. Okay, Sony Saugandhika. Yeah, earlier I was like, okay, so Saugandhika Sony है and there is Lucky Sony है. Okay, Sony name confused तो नहीं हो जाएगा group के अंदर. And then Lucky said, call me Lucky. And then she's like, okay, मैं Saugandhika भी हूँ. ठीक है, चलो दोनों अलग अलग ही है. Okay, so yeah, very good. Seriously, nice. Okay, Mahesh, go ahead.
Yeah, sure. So just bear with me. I will share my screen and share my thoughts with you if you permit me.
अरे permitted man, permitted. क्या बात कर रहा है? Permitted है?
अरे host disabled participant screen sharing.
Okay, एक second. Where do I see that notification coming, man?
In the participants, you can enable that.
Okay, I'm searching for your name, Mahesh. Okay, I found your name. I'm going to the more option and
make host.
Yeah, it's like make host. Okay, Mahesh, you are the host now.
Okay, yep.
And we have 10 minutes for this counter. Okay, so let's see what Mahesh has to offer.
Right.
Guys, we have to get into one more Zoom call after this. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you can all able to see my screen, right? I
Yes,
think
yes,
so,
yes.
okay, fine. So
Yes, sir.
these are the things I am going to give right now. I am going to tell about that. I will summarize what is the core message of the life transformation, and I will include my commitments and my life experiences there. And we are going to hit back again. So I will give some positive note about that. So, and again, after then, I am going to thank you message to everyone. So this is my
Great,
agenda.
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
great, great.
ये
great.
पूरा
So
इसी
we
का
start with
strategy
the
apply कर रहा है guys.
Full
Guys,
manager.
yeah, seriously, man. Good to see all these qualities. Hey, दबा के है. Good. हाँ, go ahead, Mahesh.
Okay, finally we start with our summarization section. So one is, what is the first core message of this life transformation? See, first thing, guys, we need to achieve our goals. Definitely, there is nothing of that going back out of the goals. We are going to achieve the goals whatever we have written. So this is what I am going to tell about this. See, achieving the goals is the bigger task, guys. Whatever I have seen is the bigger task. You need to put massive efforts, not the very light efforts. Actually, if you put the light efforts, means you are not going to definitely achieve the goals. You know, there are three types of people. Generally, one, they don't put any goals, guys. They don't put any goals, and they really enjoy their life like anything. They do whatever like anything. But some people put goals and give the massive action, and definitely they are going to achieve that. But there are some in between people are there. Their dreams are very high. They're putting the massive goals, but they don't take so much of actions because they're doing the work also. They're not going to enjoy, and they're not going to reach the goals also. So many members are affected in this zone actually. So even I am one of the member. I always think about the goals very higher, but I don't take the massive action so that I won't get the goals actually. So
Yeah, this is the biggest,
yeah.
we can say, that problem.
So whatever I am thinking about that is, we have learned a lot from the books, from pain points, pleasure points, or the strategies. Put massive action, then only goals comes. Believe that, definitely believe is the great one actually. So believe that, consistently put affirmations. It definitely changes your brain, gives encounters to negative beliefs, and definitely going to take positive action, guys. Because if you want to take the action, means definitely resistance will come from our life. I'm sure about that. But realize that you are going to getting the resistance, accept it, and again we are going to take the next day we are going to hit the massive action. That's it. So we are going to achieve the goals. So that is the main point of that goals.
Okay.
The next point is the this one, our health. It's the biggest one, guys, because we drive whole the day with energy itself. So energy is a combination of what we do generally, means what we do generally in day-to-day basis, how we treat the energy is taking care about that. So be consistent about your health also, because so many people are like they always take about the goals very serious and do massive actions. Sometimes massive actions would not give results also, just accept it. But both these things are very important. You need to give proper exercise, you need to take the right foods definitely, so that your body will rejuvenate actually. See, if soul is your god, means your soul is the god, means the body is the temple. Treat like that. Put massive things on the health basis also. You need to do the meditation. Yeah, we are already doing that. We are already doing that meditation and pranayams. Recently I started the exercise also, because it's I'm getting so much pains also, but it's okay. I'm going to take care of that, and I'm doing the exercise also. And right food is very important, guys. Even for your thoughts also, taking the right foods is very important. You clearly you clearly notice the difference actually. If you want to do one thing at afternoon time, means if you take the chicken biryani and full doom dam, okay, you're definitely going to sleep. You're definitely not going to achieve that. Okay, just take care about the right foods also. That is one other important core message from our life transformation.
First important thing, guys, junk ko to 100% sure, just avoid any junk food, okay? Pizzas, visas, once in a while, monthly once is like too much. Dekho, when I started in IT, almost daily basis I used to eat that, okay? Because maza aata hai na. So after college, IT, pizza, burgers, cold drinks, this, that, blah, blah. फिर बाद में समझा रहे हैं time ये nonsense चल रहा है सब कुछ. Let's get back to senses. Okay.
Even I will tell my life experience actually. So I was jobless at one point of time, and I got the job. It's a good job, great job. So in my career, I was growing like anything. So I felt lazy to do anything also. Daily I put Zomato, Swiggy, nothing else. Morning, afternoon, evening, Zomato, Swiggy.
Same situation with most of people. In case of me also. See, once you will get the job, once you will get comfortable, you will never try to have the efforts to cook the food, or you will enjoy your life like anything.
Your life like anything. Again, we don't take care about the exercises and meditation also.
Yes.
Nothing.
We felt very lazy at that time. But we need to take care about all these things to get the goal, to reach our goals also.
Yes.
So the next point I would like to share is fun and adventure. This is the main important point, guys. Definitely I will share. Because
Pick is very nice, Mahesh, to start with. जाने का मन कर रहा है यहाँ पे actually.
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा बता.
I will also go. Definitely.
Definitely, I was planning like anything to go bike rides and do.
Let me know. We will go together.
Sure, definitely, Aziz. And
साले फटाफट finalization हो जा रहे हैं यार. Okay, Mahesh, go. Okay, Mahesh, go ahead.
Okay, first I will tell about my life experience, why it is more important actually, because I want to be so productive at all. First of all, I got the job also, so I go to the job and do the work there, and again come back. Again I will watch the tutorials. Again I will learn the code. Again morning also I watch the tutorials. Again go to the office. Again coding. So it has happened over the years actually. After the years, when I looked back, nothing was there in my life actually. There was no cinema, no place. So I feel very frustrated about that. That's why I told, once you got the job, you are so consistent or so productive also, you must maintain your fun and adventure, guys. Otherwise, at one point of time, it's going to break you, definitely. So be balanced that actually.
You know, Mahesh, before the lockdown, I used to go every Friday night morning movie. But after the lockdown, entire thing gone.
Yeah, but we hope definitely things will get better and we are going again. I'm sure on that. But you just give importance to your fun and adventure activities also, definitely. And there is a clear-cut difference about the money and the fun and adventure, guys. Because I was doing pretty well in the job, I was getting the job, but I'm not getting any fun and adventure, right? So after that, I broke actually. So there is a theater in Dilshuk Nagar, that is a Sivaganga theater actually. 4 or 5 years back, the price ranges were like this. The ticket price ranges were like this: 70 rupees, 50 rupees, and 20 rupees actually. So we our friends like that were going to cinema to the 20 rupees ticket actually, because we didn't have that much money, so we are going to 20 rupees ticket. So after I have seen that movie also with all the members, we enjoyed it a lot because we walked so much distance to our home. We have been talking about the movie. We have been chilling out about that. So lot of fun we have done. Because after I got the money also, right now I can put 200, 2,000, 20,000 for the ticket also, but I'm not getting that satisfaction.
Right.
Yeah, really not getting that.
Very similar experience, Mahesh. Very similar experience.
It's so that's very true actually. So what I want to tell is there is a clear-cut difference of the money and the fun and adventure also. Don't neglect this fun and don't